Let me introduce you to this website, upleap.com. This website is basically a platform to grow your Instagram followers and overall growth, so you can buy Instagram followers here. The prices are very low and it starts at just $3. You can buy 100 followers for just $3. But wait, you don't have to buy followers here either. Instead, we're here to earn money, right? Yes! Keep watching to see how this website can make you earn money. Anyone can access this method. It's open to everyone, whether you're present in any part of the world, because all you need is internet connection, which is present in most parts of the world. First, go to unleap.com. As we told you, this website helps you grow your account faster by buying Instagram followers. Now go to the bottom of the page and look in the Learn section. When you click the section, you'll see an option for Affiliate. The Unleap Affiliate program will open, which helps users to increase their Instagram audience and earn commission in return. This basically means that when you become an affiliate, you will earn the commission and you don't have to pay anything. The people you get to buy Instagram followers will pay you, and in return, you'll get the commission. Do you get where we're heading? Now money making through upleap.com will start to make sense to you. Today's video is all about the Upleap Affiliate program. You can help anyone raise an Instagram audience. Basically, you're affiliated with upleap.com, and promoting this website to other people can help you get some bucks too. Let's get into the process. Start by becoming an affiliate at no cost. Becoming an affiliate is a simple process, and the website will guide you through all the steps. However, the second step is to create a custom URL. Actually, this URL will be shared with others who can be your potential buyers. The third step is to share your URL everywhere possible, from social media accounts to your friend circle. Try to share the maximum. You can share it with your family and friends too. Because in today's world, everyone is on social media and everyone wants to grow on Instagram. Some people want to get famous, while others have successful businesses, and some just do it for the numbers. You know, increased followers to flex in front of their friends. The final step is to keep a check and get paid for each purchase. Actually, this tactic makes a lot of money for the affiliate every time they make a purchase. You can have a look at different packages. These are sold for free. Isn't it great that these monthly packages help you get high commissions? Can you believe that by working for less than an hour per day, you can earn a monthly or even yearly income? Examine the Upleap dashboard for a more accurate record to keep things in check. If the person purchases the package, you will get paid by Upleap. When we turn to the affiliate page, we have to select any package. When anyone signs up, it's the unique link you get. It's also called a URL. After that, you have to share it with your family and friends on social media accounts. When you post on social media apps, you have to take care of many things. After turning to the affiliate page here, sign up and you'll be good to go. Now let's talk about how Quora is involved in money making. Since we know that Quora is a question-answer platform, and people from all over the world look for answers on Quora. Also, in today's social media world, everyone is on Instagram. Everyone has accounts on Instagram. Some are bloggers, some post aesthetic pictures, and some have businesses. Some even do health-related posts, which means they want more followers, especially when they're in the beginning stages. Everyone wants to flex their Instagram followers. So many people come to Quora to find ways to increase their Instagram followers. You can even check on Quora, where there are questions like how to increase Instagram followers. For example, in the search bar, you type in how to increase followers on Instagram. So all the relevant questions that people asked earlier will appear, and you'll see how many questions appear, which again makes it very clear how enthusiastic people are about increasing their Instagram followers. Let's click on one of the questions, how to increase followers on Instagram. It has many answers. Let's have a look. Now it's time to sign up for Quora to post your answers under every question related to how to increase followers on Instagram. So you have to post your answer with a URL with all the relevant information. However, as compared to everyone else, your answer will be more valuable as you're suggesting a straightforward solution to the problem. Make sure it's good enough to attract a reader's attention. Write in bold letters and with eye-catching words. Your answer will grab people's attention due to the direct solution. You can do the same thing with every question. In this way, your chances of earning commission will rise too. Once you get the reader's attention, he'll go through your post where you've added your URL. There are chances that he or she will click the URL, which will direct them to an UpLeap website. Extremely low prices starting at $3 might tempt them to buy and try it out if it's really worth doing. So every time someone buys through your URL, you get paid. It's that easy and amazing at the same time. That money will be enough to spend for months or even years. No doubt is it one of the easiest sources of passive income. Since people are using social media as an addiction nowadays, a large number of people will be interested in increasing their followers, so this will definitely make you rich. No doubt, it's an amazing technique for people who are too lazy to put any effort in because it's literally the least amount of effort you can put into earning money. So what are you waiting for?